Hi, welcome to our overview of the coding lab in MindTap for computer sciences provided by GitHub Codespaces. GitHub Codespaces is the powerful visual studio allowing coding via the cloud and enabling students to code anywhere without spending their precious time in the classroom installing and troubleshooting software. This gives them a jump start in the classroom while providing an opportunity to learn on an industry standard tool. When you open a coding lab activity in MindTap, you'll see four main components. You'll see the Companion tab, the Code Editor, the Explorer, and the Terminal. You can close and reopen the terminal to gain more working space by pressing Control-Shift-Backtick. You can configure the position of these panels by dragging and dropping them to the desired place. This gives you the flexibility to customize the layout of your workspace according to your needs. You will also see a sidebar on the far right with additional features and settings. The Companion tab includes guidance for the use of the code editor, the required tasks for the assignment, instructions for how to complete the assignment, and example output for the task. It also contains three buttons: Run Code, Calculate, Grade, and Submit. The task identifies the assignment objectives that the student needs to complete. They usually include a series of checks and tests, which are run against the student's project to ensure that each objective has been successfully completed. To verify if a task has been fulfilled, select the grade box next to the task. If the box appears red, it means that the test requirement was not fulfilled. A green box indicates a successfully completed task. The Run Code button will execute a code. The Calculate Grade button checks all tasks at once and generates a grade. It will also provide students with an overview of their current progress and completion status. When the student is satisfied with their work, the Submit button will send the assignment grade to the instructor. The code editor allows students to edit the file in the project. Students can open multiple editors side by side, both vertically and horizontally. They can reorder the editor as per their preference. The terminal will display the result of the code executions and enable you to interact with any input prompts as needed. With Blackboard integration, instructors will experience an effortless setup process, and students are able to navigate and interact in a robust industry-standard code editor. These immersive MindTap coding labs built using GitHub Codespaces provide students with the coding experiences that mimic the environment of real-world workplaces. By coding directly in GitHub Codespaces platform, students will build portfolios to demonstrate unique skills and experience that they can then use to enter the workforce as marketable professionals.